So we got a 04 Corvette, full radio install, Axxess harness. We were getting some ground and whine noise through the front speakers, so we did add a secondary ground to the frame. It didn't go away. We tried turning the gains down on the Axxess de-inverter, whatever this thing is called. Whine went away. Took all the bass out, zero bass out of the factory speakers. So we were like, huh. And then anytime you spin this, you could hear the speakers make the noise. So only reason I'm making this video, I don't know if you can hear it, but I can. So the fix was don't turn it down. We maxed it out. So we maxed all 4 channels out and we have no noise, road noise anymore. And we got all of our bass back. So just a little FYI.